Hi everyone, I'm Julia Walker, a North Carolina estate planning attorney, here to help you understand why it is important to plan for your life and legacy. What do Prince, Heath Ledger, and Kobe Bryant have in common, other than being celebrities? Well, their estates, or at least a portion of them, went through probate and are public record. Which begs the question, is probate necessary? That can literally be $1 million question. Probate is the court process that makes sure assets an individual owned in their individual name at death goes to the legally entitled recipients. Every state has its own probate court system, and just like any other legal proceeding, the court records are public. The interesting thing with these three celebrities is that one had no will, one had a will, and one had a revocable living trust. Prince died without a will. This means the state statutes determine how his estate was to be distributed. Each state has different laws on how assets will be distributed if an individual dies without a will. For Prince, who resided in Minnesota, his 6 half-siblings were named his legal heirs, which the number 6, coincidentally, was also the number of years it took to settle Prince's estate. Heath Ledger died with a will. However, he created his will before becoming a father, and he never updated it. His will stated his estate was to be divided between his parents and his siblings. In good faith, his parents and siblings decided to gift the entire estate to a trust for Heath's daughter. This is something the parents and siblings had no legal obligation to do, but did so out of good morals and ethics. And I'll tell you right now, not every family would do that, especially for the amount of Heath Ledger's estate, but even for a small estate with just being the recipient of $1,000 or so. Kobe Bryant died with a revocable living trust. He created a trust and funded it with his assets so that probate could be avoided and his assets and the distribution of them would be private. Unfortunately, some details of Kobe Bryant's plan were made public as he did not update his trust to include his youngest daughter. Similar to Heath's family, in good faith, the trustees are trying to modify the trust to treat his youngest daughter with the same, or treat his younger daughter the same as his other surviving children. However, this involved having to go open probate court. Is probate necessary? For each of us, the answer will only present itself on our date of death. If we die without a will or if we die with a will, probate will be necessary for assets owned in our individual name. If we die with a revocable living trust, whether or not probate will be necessary depends on if the trust was fully funded with all of our assets and if we kept the trust up to date with our life changes. That's it for today. I hope you liked this video and found it helpful. Please share with anyone you think needs to hear it. Again, I'm Julia Walker, a North Carolina estate planning attorney, here to help you understand why it is important to plan for your life and legacy. Have a great day.